Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you are in the world today. Thank you for joining me. I want to teach you one of my favorite balloon hats. It's simple, it uses only two balloons. There's only really one major twist in the whole thing, and it's just cool. And by changing the colors, you can make it for any team. It fits the ladies with a really big hairdos or someone with no hair at all. It can fit a kid. It's completely adjustable. It is the baseball cap. This was taught to me by Joe White long time ago, probably 25 years plus. And I love this. And there's a lot of cool things we can do with this. And we're going to be making later videos and actually how you can make comic book characters and other things as a part of this hat in really fun ways. But it all starts off with the baseball hat. So take two colors. I am from Michigan. I have been a lifelong Detroit Lions fan. So if you're from Wisconsin, Minnesota, or Chicago, tough luck. We're making the Lions colors. So I'm going to take my first balloon and I'm going to blow it up almost all the way and get it tied the end. My next balloon, I'm going to blow up just a little bit less. Going to let a little air out just to make it soft. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make two full twists. Okay, there's the first one. I want it really just big enough for the balloon to go through it. I'm going to take that nozzle and just lock it into place. I'm going to do it again. Same thing. There you go. There's your two. Okay. The hardest part of the balloon's over. I'm now going to take half of the balloon, feed it through one side, other half of the balloon, feed it through the other side. I'm now going to take all three ends together, okay, and twist them one time. I'm now just going to throw them around each other, go through the opening of the back of the hat, and that just merely locks them into place. Now, what I do, because I don't like having finished or non-finished ends, is I'll take each one of those and do a little twist on its own, so it's almost like an ear twist, but not quite. And that just locks again everything into place, gives it more of a complete look. And really, that is your whole hat. There you go. Now you can adjust the bill by folding and squeezing. Okay. You can adjust this part, give it a little personality. All right. But the cool thing about this again is it is adjustable. So little Timmy or big Timmy can wear it. Okay. And it is a great base for a hat. Again, you got places where you can attach things. So that is one balloon. Oh, sorry, two balloon baseball cap. And if I'm in a rush, I'll have a whole bunch of balloons pre-blown up if I know that I'm going to have a crowd, or I can blow up balloons pretty quickly, so it's not usually a worry for me. But I can bust one of these out pretty quick. So I'm going to do it one more time, but this time I'm going to do it at speed, and so you can kind of see how it works. And this time, oh, the Red Wings are still playing. So the Lions season unfortunately is over, but Red Wings are still good. So let's make Red Wings. And this is full speed. Okay. And just like that, we can start getting all these together. We're going to give them a little squeeze so all the air goes to the right areas. and pull them all up. Pull it out here. And just like that, we have our Go Wings. Go Red Wings. So, well, that's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. And again, just keep putting the smiles on people's faces because a smile is free. And I think it only takes a moment. But an encouraging word at the right time can change someone's life forever. So I take my hat off to you all. And to you, I'll have a good day. Adios.